Yeah.
Okay, hi, day 2. Yay! Today we did a lot. We did Angel's Landing. We met a guy from Houston, kind of adopted a family from Spokane, Washington. They were really sweet, and we had to come.
We just claimed them. It was an adoption.
You should tell them about the excuses.
Excuses? Oh, so every time we stopped, the guys, like it was this older couple, and they decided that we had to have an excuse for stopping. And so, like, we had shoe tying and water bottle drinks and photography breaks. Jokes. And then we finally gave up and we just told them we missed them because they were really cool.
Very good. Yes. We met guys from California and they were pretty funny. You couldn't breathe, but they were great.
They were trying.
We had some close encounters with chipmunks. We sat up on this ledge on the way down, and it was really funny because people, when they were going up the trail, they couldn't see us. So this one guy, he walked past and he farted. Just kept going, and his son was like, "Wow, Dad, thanks a lot for that." And then he saw us, the kid did, and he's like, and so, I don't know, we got a good laugh out of that.
It's definitely not we can throw pebbles at them, though.
Yeah.
We were gonna throw rocks at them, we just kept freaking people out anyway.
Got a good view of your box, not you. Okay, what else did we do? We did the emerald pools and soaked our feet and got misted on. We went to the visitor center.
Slept in the park like homeless people.
Slept in the park like homeless people, just said.
Paid to get to a park.
We didn't get attacked by raccoons last night.
Yeah.
This was very good. The bugs aren't eating us now that we're back in camp, and we have the same spot as last night, and now we have neighbors. I don't know if you can see them with that, but we have neighbors, and we're planning on another epic day tomorrow.
Yep.
Yay! I think that's it for now, yeah?
Yeah.